everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Let's give this video a full watch. I have to apologize for the delay in videos, everybody. I have been packing, I am moving, so everything is a little scattered. And I also have some stuff in the works that I will soon be sharing with you guys that I've been up to. So bear with me. I'm trying my best to put some videos out, but again, I've been so busy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the Rotel dip. I've seen this on TikTok a lot, but this is something my friend Romisha, she showed me this in high school. She used to bring this every Friday. So girl, if you're watching, shout out to you for this, but I'm gonna do my take on the Rotel dip. So I did show you everything that you are going to be needing for this recipe. First, we are going to start off by washing our bell pepper. And I'm only gonna use about 1/4 of that. We are going to de-seed the bell pepper. And any color bell pepper you have is fine. We're just going to slice this up and dice it. Next, we are going in with a little sliver of white onion, and we're going to dice that as well. All my dishes are put away, so you guys are going to see my kitchen in a second, and it looks crazy. Next, you want a teaspoon of minced garlic. I am taking half the block of orange cheese, which is cheddar, and then I'm taking half of the pepper jack cheese, and I'm just going to shred that. And I say shred your cheese because we are going to make our own cheese sauce. So to a medium-high pan, we are going to add about half the pound of ground beef along with our vegetables. And we are going to cook that until brown. So I am showing you guys that I will be adding pork chorizo. So after I brown my hamburger meat with my vegetables, we are going to start browning our pork chorizo. And you just want to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes or until all the oil is rendered from the pork chorizo. Once that is complete, go ahead and add your hamburger mixture back into the pan and give that a good mix. Next, we are going to go in with our 2 cans of Rotel. Then we are going to go in with our diced jalapeños. I do suggest using the fresh one. It will bring more heat to the dish if that's what you like. If not, go ahead and use the can. I'm going to be adding our taco seasoning, garlic powder, some of that slap your mama seasoning. And we're just going to give that a good mix. Once that has combined, we're going to set that aside and put that on simmer. Next, we are going to go in and make the roux for our cheese sauce. So that is 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of flour. Then we're going to go in with our 1/2 quart of heavy whipping cream. It's just like making homemade macaroni and cheese. If you know how to do that, it's the same steps. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of milk, so about less than 1/2 cup. Then our cheese, we are gonna go ahead and add that to the mixture, and we're just gonna cook this until it becomes thick or everything is nice and blended together. And make sure your heat is on about a medium-high heat. Next, we are going to go in with black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of pink salt. Go ahead and give that a mix. Make sure you adjust all the seasonings and flavors to your liking. Once that is done, I am adding it to my meat mixture. And I'm gonna let that simmer together for 3 to 4 minutes. I know the way people make it on TikTok, it is on the grill, but like I said, this is something I had to do on the stove because everything is getting packed away and thrown away. So this is quicker, and plus the chorizo is smoky, so it does give it like that smoky taste that you would get on the grill. Next, I'm gonna go in with 2/3 of that cream cheese. This is also gonna give it like a velvety texture as well as thicken it up for us. And once the cream cheese is fully incorporated, we are going to go in with 2 pinches of cilantro. And then just give that a good mix. And you know I had to add a little bit more spice, so I'm just going in with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Again, adjust the seasonings to your liking. If you want it more spicy, go ahead and add a little bit more of that cayenne pepper. If not, if you loved how it tastes, it is done. I did want mine a little bit more cheese, like more of a cheese pool, so I did leave some at the bottom of my bowl and just poured that in. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. Hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.